Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable multi-process windows in Firefox. Click Open menu. Click Help. Click Troubleshooting information. Default multi-process Windows is enabled. Type about colon config. Click I accept the risk. Type browser.tabs.remote. Right-click toggle change the value to false. Close and reopen Firefox. Click Open menu. Click Help. Click Troubleshooting information. Multi-process Windows is disabled. Only one Firefox.exe process is running. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.